Welcome to MobilBid Learn. Silent auction tutorials. Complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first organization, and then create your first auction with MobilBid. Once you sign up, an account will be created for you on the MobilBid platform. Please look for the introduction email in your inbox. Don't forget to check your spam folder if you don't see it. Following the introduction, you will also be sent the invitation email to be an administrator. This is where you log into your MobilBid account, and where all the fun stuff happens. When you receive the invitation email, click on Accept Invitation. On the Accept Invitation screen, enter a secure password that you can remember and confirm the password. You can reset this password later when needed. When done, click Set My Password. On the organization screen, click on the Create Your First Organization button. On the New Organization Setup screen, give your organization a name. If you hold multiple types of events each year, you can create an organization for each type of event you hold. Otherwise, you can name the organization with your business or organization name. Enter your desired settings. When you're finished, click Create Organization on the bottom right. Now you're back at the Organizations screen and your newly created organization is listed. If you have created multiple organizations, they will be listed here. To create your first auction, click on Select Organization. On the auction screen of your organization, click on Create Your First Auction button. On the New Auction screen, you can now give your new auction a name. This should be specific to this year's event. And click Create Auction when done. Congratulations! You've started your first auction. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add individual items to your auctions.